Morning everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make some juice. These are the lettuce from the backyard garden, and what we need a cucumber. I'm gonna use half of this cucumber, and we're gonna need some ginger and use a lime. Normally they would use a green apple, but I didn't have a green apple, so this is what I'm gonna do. And I never have this juice before. If you have or you made this juice, then you can let me know. So I'm just gonna get them prepared. Now we're gonna try and small size down. Cut these very small. Just half of cucumber. I washed them already, so I'm just gonna cut it like that. This is the apple. I already peel it already. Don't use the skin. Yeah, especially some wax on the skin. So this is the ginger. We like plenty of ginger in our stuff, so it's gotta be kicking. So let's dice up this ginger like that as well. And this is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and good for keeping you hydrated. We're going to blend up our lettuce. Put them in this. Put them in this. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water in it, and gonna start the blending. So we're gonna cut out the blending, the noise a bit, and then when it's blend up, then I'll show you what the next process is. Okay. Gonna pour the rest in it. And blend it out. I'm gonna put the lime in it now. The lime in it, just put it like that. Now, I was gonna use this strainer, but we have a bigger strainer, so let's use this one. This one is more thinner as well, and can hold a lot. Spoon, stir it like that. Well, I've never tried it before. This is our first time having this juice. Oh, it's so green, nice and green color here. The rubbish in that one. No one can join the compass. So if you don't want to try this or you tried before, you can let me know how you done it and what the ingredients are, what you mix it with. So this is it. If I get some ice here, now we're gonna pour and see. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, tastes good, refreshing, nice. I can feel the ginger in it. Very nice. Please like, share, and subscribe. And